Hi everyone, how's it going? So today, it's about 8 in the morning around here, and I think I might have a little something to do, so keep me from doing nothing all day. So it's something I want to do for. It's been on my mind for quite a while. Is oiling these coaches. Well, they do run pretty smoothly. It's I think it's about time they need some oiling. So I think I might give it a shot at that. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna oil these three because those three have metal wheels and this one's got plastic wheels. So I think I might just oil these three, and I think I'll just leave that one alone. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, all three coaches are in here. I think you might want to clean the wheels before you do this. I actually had to clean the wheels. But all of them were clean except for this brake coach. The wheels are absolutely filthy. I actually just got done cleaning them. Alright, so the thing is, you're going to need some oil, obviously. An old paper clip. I use this to usually oil up my engines and the connecting rods. And a drink of your choice. I am drinking Mountain Dew. Alright, let's get to it. So I've turned on the lights to get a better view. Ignore my dog barking. Turn the coach upside down, and you get some oil from the tin, or whatever you call it. A bit too much. You do not need much oil. If I can, there we go. I don't know if I'll be able to get that in focus. Come on. Yeah, anyway, you get the idea. You do not need much, and you just place it on the axle. Like so. I think everybody should know how to do this. And by the way, it's not my oil, it's actually my dad's when he cleans his guns. So yeah. And that's all you gotta do. I'm gonna do it to all three of these coaches. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I just got done oiling these three coaches, and it was a bit hard. It was pretty tough, but I managed to get it done. I didn't do that one because, like I said, it's got plastic wheels. But yeah, I think I would recommend probably using a little oiling pen or something like that. You can probably get one off Amazon if you can, but I don't got one. I just use no paper clip because that's all I got. But yeah, so this is a little video. It'll probably keep me something to do instead of just laying in bed all day. Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, it feels like they run a lot smoother. Let's see. Yeah, kinda. Sorry, this video is pretty short and probably pretty pointless. I hope it wasn't that pointless, but yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.